So we're back.
Wait po.
Just hold on. I will just give you this slide.
Uy! Iyon.
So, white, high, muna spiral and the low ventricular, the higher of pump, so it araw, so ating tubig. Yung heart na yung ating heart per hour tingkat kunto. Yung cycle, yung heartbeat between 6 per minute is by the pacemaker. I know how it of 3 cardium, myocardium. Pericardium is the outermost. Ito yung bumabalot doon sa puso natin. Okay? The two membranous sacs of the pericardium surrounded the heart. Siya yung nakabalot. Yung puso natin ay may balot yun. Okay? So each organ may mga balot siya. Pericardium is the name term for the covering of the heart. Myocardium, in the middle layer of the tissue, it is composed of cardiac muscles, which is found in the heart. Yung puso natin, may malaking muscle siya. At dito, itong muscle na to, ay ito yung nag-go yung blood vessels within the cardiac, the middle of yung myocardium ay na-less ang supply o nawalan ng supply. It is enough for the supply to supply the whole body. So ang mangyayari, mamamatay itong muscle na to. And it is the cause of yung mga heart attack. Okay, yung cardiac arrest natin, bakit tayo nagka-cardiac arrest? Pag nawalan na ng supply ng blood dito sa heart muscle. So pag nawalan na yun, namamatay itong muscle na to, it will not produce any function anymore. So ito na yung heart attack na tinatawag natin. Endocardium is the lining to the myocardium. So, pericardium sa labas, yung myocardium natin na muscle, And the covering of the myocardium is the endocardium. It is the lining of the muscle. We go to the circulation of the blood. Ito yung ating circulation through the heart. Kung paano yung ating, sabi ko nga kanina, continuously, the heart pumps yung blood out of dun sa artery. Ito ngayon, yung through the superior vena cava, nakita natin kanina, from the superior vena cava, it goes to the right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, to the right ventricle. Imagine niyo kung paano umiikot, ha? So, yung pulmonary valve, to the pulmonary artery, going down to the lungs. Nagsusupply siya ng dugo dun sa lungs, going through the left atrium, to the left ventricle, dun sa aorta, to the rest of the body. Imagine niyo kung paano yung puso ninyo na nagsusupply ng dugo to the whole body. Okay? Yung the heart, ito yung function ng heart natin. It supplies blood, yung oxygenated and deoxygenated dito sa buong katawan natin. Meron siyang pinagdadaanan starting from the superior vena cava down to yung pulmonary artery and the aorta to the rest of the body. Okay, got it? We go to the nervous system. The nervous system performs three related functions. What are the functions of the nervous system? Number one, it senses certain changes within the body and in the outside environment. Yung mga nerves natin, di ba pagka malamig, sumasakit yung nerves nyo, may napipil kayo, may mga tingling, yung parang kinukurye-kuryente kayo. So yun. So it on the outside environment. Ngayon, pagka medyo malamig na malamig, di ba parang nagnanamb? So wala kayong masyadong nararamdaman? So it's because of these changes of the outside environment. It interprets the changes. Yun na nga, pagka kayo nalamigan, hindi namamanhid yun, nafe-feel nyo di ba? So once you are dun sa parang may mga tingling, yung sabi nating tinutusok-tusok ng needles. So yun, nai-interpret natin yung binibigay sa ating mga nerve supplies. Responds to the interpretation by initiating action in the form of muscular contractions or glandular secretions. Doon sa ating yung nerve muscles natin, pagka nawalan ng supply doon sa ating mga calf muscles, doon sa muscle na biceps, yung malalaki natin sa hita. So, nagko-contract siya, di ba? Also, the same way with doon sa glands natin, doon sa depende doon sa secretions that they secrete. So, depende doon kung marami o mahina. So, yun yung secretions. And the parts of the nervous systems are grouped as follows. Meron tayo sa nervous system natin, it consists of the central, CNS ang tawag dito, central nervous system. It consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Imagine niyo yung central nervous system, meron tayong brain at saka spinal cord. Yung peripheral nervous system natin, it consists of 31 pairs of spinal nerves and 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Lahat ito, yung brain, yung spine, yung brain means cranial. Cranial nerves for the brain. Yung spinal cord natin ay may spinal nerves. So cranial nerves for the brain, and spinal nerves for the spinal cord. So ito it consists of the nervous system. We'll see here ano yung mga part na pinag-usapan natin. The central nervous system itself consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Yung brain, tandaan ninyo, is cranial nerves. Brain is cranial. So dito sa ulo natin, andito yung ating brain, andito yung cranial nerves. And down below this, ito yung para siyang dun sa likod natin, ito yung spinal, ito yung backbone natin na tinatawag. Paano tayong tumatayo is with the spinal nerve, yung spinal cord doon. Kaya yun ang nagsusupport sa ating katawan. So may spinal nerve tayo. And peripheral nervous system. To the right, nakikita nyo yung nerves natin dito. May mga nerves tayo, it supplies yung down below. Okay, so ito yung mga nerves natin. We'll go with the respiratory system. Pag sinabi nating respiratory, we are pertaining to the breathing system of the body. So respiration is the process of taking oxygen from the air and transporting it to individual body cells, and the subsequent transportation of carbon dioxide from the cells back to the air. Nakita nyo yon? Yung respiration natin, meron tayong ini-inhale na oxygen. And meron tayong inilalabas na oxygen, ang tawag doon ay carbon dioxide. So we inhale oxygen, clean air, fresh air, and we're exhaling carbon dioxide. Yung marumi ng air from inside of us, yun yung inihihinga natin. So it backs to the air. The respiratory system provides the route by which oxygen enters the body, ito na yung inhale natin, and by which carbon dioxide is exhaled or excreted. The system also plays a role in regulating body temperature. So pagka tayo nilalagnat, di ba? So itong ating respiratory system, nagwo-work din. It functions, it regulates the body temperature. Pagka mainit na kayo, so ito yung system na pagka mainit, inilalabas nyo yung init ninyo, nag-e-expel kayo ng inyong air, yung carbon dioxide, yung marumi. Okay? And while doing so, magbi-breathe in naman kayo ng fresh air. So yung body temperature nyo nare-regulate through yung inhale and the exhale. The major structures of the respiratory system are the nose. Mag-umpisa yon, yung breathing, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. So ano bang ginagamit natin if we are going to breathe? We start the use of our structure, nose. Nanggagaling dito, sumisinghot tayo through the nose. Pharynx, larynx, dito na lahat yon. Trachea, bronchi, and the lungs. Ito yung mga system na structure that consists of the respiratory. So breathing is accomplished by the diaphragm and the muscles of the chest wall. So pagka nagbi-breathe in tayo, ang gumagalaw na muscle dito, yung diaphragm natin and the muscles of the chest wall. Subukan nyo kayang mag-breathe in and breathe out na hindi gagalaw yung diaphragm nyo at saka yung chest wall. Do you think it will happen? So hindi pwede, di ba? So ito yung mga kailangan natin to perform yung function ng breathing. Pag huminga, pagka nag-deep in, yung inhale, so muscles and the diaphragm are working. So ito ngayon yung structure ng anatomy. So we have the nasal cavity. Ito mag-umpisa tayo sa nose. Yung nostril natin, yung pinagdadaanan ng air, going to the oral cavity. Imagine niyo that they are connected. Ang mouth and nose, meron siyang connection dito. Kaya pag nasamid ka, babara siya doon sa oral, yung masisinghot mo through the nose. Nasubukan nyo yon, di ba? Pag nagsasabay yung inyong nag-close yung inyong yung dun sa metang ninyo, pagka halimbawa yung water pump, hindi ba yon pagka binobomba nyo, nagsasabay na lumabas yung tubig at saka yung air? So the same thing ito, meron siyang opening, kaya tayo kung minsan ay na bubulunan ba yon, yung nagkakaroon tayo ng nagkakasabay yun. Pagka tayo umiinom ng tubig, napunta yun dun sa ano, uubo tayo, di ba? So, going down with the pharynx and the larynx, okay, yung voice box dito. May trachea, ito yung pinagdadaluyan ng ating air, and right main bronchus and the left. So imagine niyo, lalabas yung air na yon, papasok, I mean to say, papasok siya, going to the right and the left, and the right lang and the left lang. So we have, sorry. So we have here, may the right and the left tayo dito na lang. Kaya yung ating lungs, kaya pagka ito ay yung isa, yung kabila ay na damage, pwede siyang tanggalin yung kabila and you will live, mabubuhay ka with only one lung. Kung yung lung mo is as that healthy. So it doesn't matter kung maalis yung isa as long as the other lung is healthy. So meron tayong left and the right lung. Right bronchus to the left bronchus. And yung diaphragm and itong mga muscle down below. So this is our structure of the respiratory system. Digestive system. Pag pinag-usapan natin yung digestive system, ito yung ating gastrointestinal tract na tinatawag, the GI tract. Okay, the primary function of the digestive system is to prepare food that is eaten so that it may be transported and used by the body cells. So coming in, may food tayo na itinake in. So ang function ng digestive system natin, ito yung mag-prepare siya ng food to be eaten and be transported to be used by the body cells. The digestive system consists of the alimentary canal, yung nakita natin kanina from the mouth, associated organs, and digestive processes. The alimentary canal is a long tube extending from mouth to anus through which food passes. Pagpasok ng pagkain nyo sa bibig, automatic yon, pag na-absorb dun sa ating tiyan, lalabas siya. Hindi siya pwedeng maging stagnant doon. Meron siyang process na pag pumasok, kailangan ilabas. Okay? So pagka hindi kayo dumumi, may problema. So ito yung the normal process. Pag hindi ka dumumi, ibig sabihin there is something inside of that digestive system that causes bakit hindi ka dumumi. When the food is ingested, the digestive system breaks it down into nutrients that can be used by the body. Imagine ninyo kung ano ang nagagawa ng ating digestive system. Yung ating mga structures dito, yung ating mula mouth hanggang dun sa pagdumi natin. Yung structure na to, may function siya na hanggang dun sa ma-absorb hanggang lumabas. Okay, from the mouth, yung food is being chewed and swallowed, then it is propelled downward to the stomach. Automatic yun. Hindi yun babara doon sa esophagus. Bababa talaga siya with the help of yung mga gastric juice, ganon. So bababa siya. So in the gastric fluid begin to change the nature of food from the solid to semi-liquid. Hindi ba? Kung i-imagine niyo, napakaganda ng process na it is automatically, parang isinet doon, na pagpasok ng pagkain, merong function na madadigest siya, maiiwan yung mga from the solid to the semi-liquid at ilalabas mo yon. Ma-absorb lang whatever is good enough for the body cells to be fed, yun lang ang na-absorb ng katawan natin. Most digestion of food and absorption occurs in the small intestine. Yung maliliit, bago siya, meron tayong small and the big intestine and the large intestine. Doon pa lang sa small intestine, doon siya nadadigest, doon siya na-absorb. Going through the capillaries and the lymph vessels in the intestinal lining. Undigested food, yung mga pagkaing hindi dumaan dun sa process na yon, it is moved through the digestive tract and eliminated through dun sa pagdumi na natin sa anus. So, nakita natin how the flow is, yung process niya, na pag hindi na-digest, automatic siya. Pag hindi kinailangan ng body cells natin, it will just pass through. Okay? So, kung may problema ka sa digestive system mo, hindi mo siya maa-absorb. So, pagkakain mo, diretsyong lalabas. Di ba may ganon? So, there is something within your digestive system. So, kailangan kang matignan ng doktor. Bakit hindi dumaan dun sa process, dun sa proper process na may absorption, digestion, passing through, absorption, and dun sa elimination. Kung hindi ka dumaan dun sa process na yon, pagkain mo, dumiretso siya doon, ibig sabihin there is something in your digestive system that causes this problem. The digestive system is also referred to as the gastrointestinal tract. Tawag natin dito, pag sa medical term natin, GI tract. Digestive system is also known as the GI tract, gastrointestinal tract. Hindi tinatawag nila doktor na your digestive system. No, hindi yun. Ang tawag niya is gastrointestinal tract or GI tract for digestive system. So urinary system, we go with the urinary system. Ano ang function ng urinary system? Yung structure ng urinary system and what the functions are. It filters certain waste products from the bloodstream. Ito na naman yon. Imagine niyo yung circulatory natin. So yung mga waste products from the bloodstream, it forms urine. So, and mechanically, it removes the urine from the body. So, may process na naman. Dadaan siya dun sa urinary system natin para lumabas yung toxins natin. Hindi naman natin nakikip yun ng 24 hours, di ba? So, the same thing with the digestive system. Kailangan, we need to eliminate it. The same with the urinary system, yung mga end products, na-filter siya ng kidney natin, and lumalabas na nagpo-form as ihi and inilalabas ito sa body. The organs of the system are 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, a bladder, and urethra. So ito yon. So the urinary system consists of 2 kidneys, the left and the right. The ureter, meron siyang left and right. Meron siyang the bladder, dun sa down below, and meron siyang urethra. Yung ating uterus, pinakita lang dito to, sa reproductive yon, okay? Yung sphincter na nakikita nyo rito, ito yung nagko-constrict siya. Pag iihi ka na, may feeling ka ngayon, yung sphincter mo, siya yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng signal, iihi na ako. So yun, yung sphincter mo na muscle doon, it gives you the signal, indicator yun na pwede mo na siyang ilabas. So na-filter na siya ng kidney, dumaan siya dun sa kidney, na-absorb doon, through the ureters, lalabas na siya, na-filter siya ngayon dun sa may bladder mo, na-stack siya, storage yung bladder, okay? Yung kidney is the filtration. Yung bladder natin, doon siya na i-store. Pagka marami na siya doon, nararamdaman ng sphincter natin. So pagka naramdaman na niya na napupuno na, so it's time for you, it indicates na kailangan mo nang ilabas. So ito yung ating process with the urinary system. Endocrine or endocrine, okay? Some of them, they pronounce it as endocrine. Some of them, they pronounce it at endocrine. Pareho lang yun as long as tama itong spelling. So the endocrine system or the endocrine system is one of the most complicated of the body system. Bakit siya naging complicated? Because it consists of glands widely separated from each other with no direct anatomical links. Yung mga glands mo doon sa meron doon sa surrounding mo doon sa iyong kidney. May gland siya dito sa atin sa may thymus. May mga thyroid glands, okay? Ang layo nun, di ba? Separated sila, kaya naging complicated. They have a function, but it functions differently. So many of its functions are understood, but some remain to be explained. Hindi nila ma-explain ito. Bakit? And what are the connections between the links? This section describes the endocrine glands and the profound influences they exert on the growth and development as well as the activities of the human body. So the main functions ng endocrine system or the endocrine system is for the growth and development of the human body. So yung mga thymus glands, okay, yung ating adrenal glands, pituitary glands, yun dun sa may brain natin. So they have different functions, but the main functions is for the growth and development, the activities as well as the activities of the human body. So this is our endocrine system. What consists within the endocrine system? So dun sa brain pa lang, meron tayong hypothalamus gland. Glands ang pinag-uusapan most of this system. So meron tayong pituitary gland. Nandun siya dun sa may brain doon. Dun sa may almost sa posterior of the brain. May pineal gland within the brain din yon. Thyroid, dito siya, dito sa ating lalamunan or dito sa may neck. And parathyroid glands. Yung thymus, bumaba na tayo dito para siyang butterfly, para siyang nandito siya sa down below of this thyroid. Okay, you can see here, dun sa ating meron trachea. To the pancreas, ito yung nagpo-produce ng insulin natin sa katawan. Bakit tayo may sugar? Just hold on. Namamatay na yung ating ano. I'm with my battery, sorry. Okay, sorry, my battery is draining. Okay, so going forward, from the pancreas, as I said, it is the pancreas which produces or secretes insulin sa katawan natin. So ito yung nag-help out, nagre-regulate ng ating blood sugar. So adrenal glands, dito sa pag-ihi natin, ito yung glands na nagpa-function for the urinary. Yung sa placenta natin, this is for the reproductive, ovary in the female and the testicle in the male. So endocrine system, it's about the glands. That is for, the function is for the growth and development of the human body. We go with the reproductive system. Reproductive system natin, meron tayong male and female. Ano ba ang mga organs that consist within the reproductive system? The reproductive systems in the male and in the female are very different. So yung mga functions nito and the structure is too different from each other. Their primary functions are identical para doon sa human life through procreation. Ito yung ating reproductive system, ang nag-function, the main function is for the continuation of the human life. Dito tayo nagko-conceive, yung the meeting of the sperm and the egg cells, dito yung nagpo-procreation. Okay? So ito yung main function niya, the procreation of the human life. In addition, organs of both male and female reproductive systems secretes hormones which influence growth and development and sexual characteristics. So ito, kung meron kang mga system na papakita ko sa inyo, babae ka. So kaya itong sinabi niya, it produces yung hormones na mag-influence for the growth and development of kung ikaw ay male and o kung ikaw ay magiging female. So we have here, dito sa left side natin is for the male reproductive system. And to the right, meron tayong female reproductive system. To the left, yung male reproductive system consists of, meron tayong prostate gland, seminal vesicle, ito yung nagpo-produce ng sperm sa lalaki. Yung prostate gland nila dito, so ito yung gland na it secretes ng mga hormones dito para sa lalaki. The penis, yung dalong na yun, is starting from there, down, ito yung length ng penis nila. The vas deferens, meron siya ditong yung parang mga veins doon na nagko-coat. The testis, the scrotum, and the urethra. So dito siya umiihi sa urethra. Ito yung part ng urinary system niya. Okay, so this left is the male reproductive system. Going to the right is the female reproductive system. And what we have for the female, fallopian tubes, meron itong right and left. Okay, so right and left fallopian tubes. Meron tayong right and left ovaries. Meron tayong uterus. Ito yung ito na yung pinaka-womb na tinatawag, yung dito nabubuhay yung ating baby. And the cervix, nagko-close and open ito during the time of panganganak natin. And the vagina itself, tignan nyo yung length ng vagina natin. And yung urinary dito sa baba. Okay? So I just want to emphasize you girls, sa mga girls, saan ba tayo umiihi? Ano ang dinadaluyan ng ihi natin when we eliminate our urine? Marami kasing yung maling konsepto. The concept of saan ba tayo umiihi. Okay? Ang pinag-iihian natin ay hindi yung vagina itself. Okay? We have the urethra. Going back, hindi ba nakita natin sa urinary system? Meron tayong urethra. So yun doon ang pinagdadaluyan ng ihi natin. Hindi yung vagina. Okay? Just to clear with you. So marami kasing concept na umiihi daw sila through the vagina. No, it's through the urethra. The same way dun sa male, meron siyang urethra. Hindi yung penis niya. Urethra. Okay, that's the urinary system function. Okay, so we have done itong ating anatomy and physiology. So is there any question? Anything you want to explain more na hindi nyo naintindihan? So you are open if meron kayong gustong i-ask. Meron ba? Or we will continue and we will have the quiz. So what do you want now? We just wrap up? Umpisa natin? Any suggestion? So as I said, we have the 11 systems of the human body. So from integumentary, which is the skin, skeletal system is the bones, muscular system are the muscles, endocrine is for the glands, cardiovascular is for the heart and the veins and the arteries, the respiratory is the breathing, digestive system is the gastrointestinal tract or the GI tract, the gastro or the GI, the nervous system are the nerves, the cranial and the spinal nerves, the urinary system, and the reproductive system for the males and for the female. Got it? So we have the anatomical position, the supine and the prone, the lateral, the posterior, and what does it mean by anatomy? Is the physiology, anatomy is the structure, and the physiology is the functions of its structure of the body. Okay? That is anatomy, is structure, physiology is the function. So medical terminologies, we will go after this, okay? So the basic medical terminologies will go after this. So we are done with our anatomy and physiology. So mag-quiz naman tayo para ma-break the ice. Okay? So itong quiz natin, the same thing. So we have to, do you have your pen and your pencils or your papers with you? So okay, so I'm going to give you our test quiz today. It's very short. Just to wrap up kung ano lang yung napag-aralan natin. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong na-stack up dito sa ating stack knowledge. Okay, I will just exit this one and I will give you the quiz. Just keep ready with your pen and your papers. And the same way, ilagay ninyo sa upper part yung mga names ninyo. And picturean ninyo and isend nyo sa ating group chat. Okay, don't forget your names. Keep it on top of your papers. So it is in your slide now. Nasa slide nyo na. Okay, so let's start. We have to define and we have to enumerate. Okay, start now.